This year on our house, we wanted to do something different than your standard stranded lights. So we bought a bunch of sets of these GE LED lights. The GE lights are special because every light has an LED inside that can change between any color. But with the standard programming in them, they're very limited. So we decided to replace the main control board with a custom circuit called a Minion. The Minion has an Arduino bootloader on it, so it's programmable with the Arduino programming environment. This lets you use all the libraries and the simple features of the Arduino. It also has a radio built into it, a 915 megahertz radio, which will give you anywhere from 50 to 100 yards line of sight. We use these radios inside the GE control box, so that way we can sync multiple light strands together. We can also put any sort of custom light show program inside of these Minions and have them all work together. You can either pre-record a show inside each Minion, or like we did here tonight, you can stream live from a computer and have the computer control it. Both options have their uses, you know. A pre-recorded show is probably more realistic for your house, but for right now, for showing, this is going to help us. So we'll show you here, turn on some lights. Every single light bulb of the GE strand is addressable. Not only addressable, but we can change the colors. The Minions are what make that possible. They talk to every single LED in here. So let's take a look inside this control board and see what makes the Minions tick. Okay. There we go. So you can see here, here's our Minion board, just like the one that we have hooked into the computer. We took the antenna and wrapped it around the edge of the board so we could fit it inside the container. We took the original container and cut out some of the bumps and different edges in order to make the Minion fit. If we look at the bottom here, we can see we have our power and ground coming in, which is 5 volts. And then it connects to the power and ground of the light strand. And then this third line is the data line. It connects to the Arduino and lets it talk to all the light bulbs. So we're still in the middle of planning our own show, but the Minion is what makes this all possible. We're currently selling these Minions on Kickstarter until the 1st of November. We hit our goal and we're still pushing through to the 1st. After the Kickstarter is over, we'll be selling them on our site at minioncity.com.